I am back. I don't know what happened. My internet just pooped on me. But I think this time I'm hoping that it's better. Yeah. Okay. Starting off, I would like to starting how this rating would work is essentially um, I'll be looking for any functional and jarring um, accessibility. What was that called? Accessibility violations. I think those are easy to pick and start off first. Yeah. Other than that, I'll be looking at um, essentially. I looked at the Las Vegas EDC website, and they typically want to keep it at WCAG 2.2, double A standard. So props to them. I'll keep it as that as my rudimentary test for my screen reader. I'll be doing actually for this test. For this review, I'll be doing 3 tests. Um, the first test would be essentially the screen reader. So looking at the website as is and trying to navigate this website through screen reader. My main goal is to see if I can accurately get a ticket for this event. Yeah, that's essentially it. And maybe go to their FAQ page and see if I can actually get information from there. So accessibility information. So where do I go? Yeah, where do I go? How do I get there? What are the hours? And what accommodations do they have? I think after that, I'll be going and trying to navigate the website via keyboard. So that's my second test. And my third test would be straight looking at it at a user's point of view, an average user point of view, where can I look at the color scheme and make out what's in the image or what's in the website. Let's see. Are there any videos that they have on the website that probably needs to be looked at again? So those are the 3 tests. Just essentially, screen reader. My goal is to try and check out and get information about what accommodations do they have. And number 2, I'll be doing the same thing but with the keyboard. And number 3, I'll be looking at navigating the website as is, as a normal user. And we could try and see what's lacking or what functionalities don't exist. But we won't know that until the very end, because it's quite obvious. As a average user, you can use functionalities that might not be available to the accessible counterparts. So it's just opening up, like, this is what you can do and this is what you can't do with the website, and trying to open that up to a greater group of people. And I think that's what I'm trying to get at here. So let's get started. Actually, I gotta start off my NVDA screen reader. Hopefully it's not too loud.
Welcome to NVDA dialog. Welcome to NVDA. Most commands for controlling NVDA require you to hold down the Add-ons Manager Mozilla.
Okay.
Collapsed. Busy. Clickable tab selected recommendations, tab extensions, tab themes, tab plugins, list with 2 items link Firefox settings, link add-ons support out of list, clickable find more add-ons, search addons.mozilla.org edit, button, heading level 1 personalize your Firefox, EDC Las Vegas May 17th to 19th, 2024 Las Vegas Motor Speedway busy, link graphic EDC Las Vegas 2024. Navigation landmark list with 9 items link tickets, link camp EDC, link hotel EDC, link experience, link lineup, link travel, link guide, link EDC week, link more, sign up via text for offers EDC. Out of list clickable sign up via text for offers frame dialog sign up via text for offers EDC. Sign up via text for offers EDC. Sign up via text for offers EDC. Sign up via text for offers EDC dialog. Be the first to get EDCLV 2024 updates. Sign up via text for offers EDC. Main landmark clickable button. Dismiss this pop-up. Graphic EDC. Heading level 2. Be the first. Heading level 2 to get EDCLV 2024 updates. By submitting this form, you marketing text messages, consent is not varies. Edit required invalid entry. Clickable button. Be the clickable mobile number. Button. Be the first to button when you sign up for button when you sign up for button when you sign up for texts.
Yeah, that's fine.
Button when you sign up for button when you sign up for texts. Button when you out of frame blank. EDC Las Vegas 2024 graphic visited link. Navigation landmark list with 9 items link tickets. Link camp EDC. Visited. Camp EDC header camp EDC Moon Glow camping Moon Glow shift pod camping alert get updates. Use the button in the sign up via text for offers EDC region. Camp EDC header camp EDC link hotel EDC. Link experience link hotel visited. Hotel EDC 2024 your new headliner only hotel on the Strip awaits. Join us for our 2nd year as we return for a weekend full of EDC themed experiences at Resorts World. Packages include a 3-night stay at Las Vegas Hilton at Resorts World, day parties, late night parties, wellness sessions, gift bags with limited edition merch items, specialty food and cocktails throughout the resort. See you at Hotel EDC at Resorts. Link experience. Lineup link. Visited. Lineup, EDC Las Vegas 2024 busy. Navigation visited link camp EDC. Alert get updates. Visited link hotel link experience. Visited link travel. Link guide. Link travel. Visited. Travel header travel, clickable navigate, camp, hotel, travel, EDC week, bypasses link. Busy, about blank. EDC Las Vegas busy, banner landmark, home 1 of 5. Sign in sub menu 2 of 5. Manage order 3 of 5, contact 4 of 5, 05 of 5. Contact 0, main landmark, search, skip to navigation, skip to visited. EDC, mainland, search tickets, search by date form, search by date, go button, here link. Search by out of form blank. Hotel EDC blank. Hotel EDC pack May 16 to 19 Thursday Sun. Link graphic 2024 EDC Las EDC Las running application EDC Las Vegas heading level 2 link list with 2 items at Las Vegas Motor Speedway ages 18 plus only out of list link select ticket from $99 link select tickets link visit banner landmark menu item 0 out of menu bar event detail heading level 2 2020 ages 18 plus only link graphic go ages 18 link at Las link graphic go to map visited about blank Google Maps busy 20 at Las Vegas Motors 7000 North Las Thursday May 16, 2020 Sunday ticket price taxes and fees quantity moon glow shift air conditioned shift cushy artificial grass floor exclusive $1,449 400 sold out desert rose shift everything included with moon glow desert rose shift pod 1 queen up to our power grid will our power 650 of extra park $199 park extra power add-ons available for RVS only no power everything 100 button button select quantity edit unavailable 0 button plus button increase quantity select button increase quantity select quantity edit unavailable 1 button decrease quantity select button decrease quantity select not no next heading at level no next heading at level 1 button decrease quantity button unavailable select button select quantity edit unavailable button
Okay, when I'm
select button
when I'm editing the quantity, it should
button
be announcing.
R6 5 extra part 9 button add success clickable are you human recaptcha unavailable link check out of recap out of button clickable head recap link privacy link terms out of frame button unavailable content info landmark main recap checkbox not link privacy link check privacy link terms link out of frame button content info link front list with out of list clickable recaptcha challenge expires in 2 minutes frame dialog
Okay, and the captcha should be selected right when I click the button.
Blank, blank. Out of recap blank, 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 blank. 2020 link privacy link terms. Term art recaptcha frame. Link privacy link out of link out recaptcha search window 2024 blank space out of frame recaptcha challenge expires in 2 minutes dialog verify button help button traffic select traffic light button get a button get select button get a button verify button unavailable
Destinations like home. Destinations like home.
enter what you hear edit blank press
Destinations like home.
enter what you hear n e alt get help unavailable blank private terms are you human recaptcha frame I'm not link out of content mainland are you human heading level 3 recaptcha frame I'm not a robot checkbox checked privacy link terms link out of frame submitting button clickable search link front list out of list out link main park 17 access dialog success Tickets are now in your cart. Please check out within 10 minutes to visited link continue shopping. Link view cart but link view cart link view cart button checkout link view visited EDC Las Vegas busy home 1 of sign in man con 2 mainland table with column 2 column 3 column 2 quantity column 1 T column column row 2 column 1 RV drive your own no extra vehicle column 2 quantity combo box collapsed 2 column 3 599 column 4 1109 row 3 column 1 through 3 service charges column 4 $255.74 row 4 column 1 through 3 shipping column 4 TBD row 5 column 1 through 3 event subtotal column 4 $1,453.74 out of table order subtotal $1,453.74 visited link continue shop link checkout visited checkout busy clickable banner menu item 2834 out of menu please sign in mainland enter password sign in button create I forgot my password link and 2 contact 24 EDC content terms of use link ticket out of list copyright 2020 list out of list link terms browser tabs tab your cart will expire in 8 minutes open a new tab navigate
Okay, so it's quite frustrating
EDC Las
because
Vegas document link privacy policy link terms of use link ticket insurance FAQ link sell tickets with us link accessibility statement main landmark remove item close link clickable are you sure content column
the
column
selection
1
doesn't reset
column
to the
row
appropriate spot,
column 1
and the
ticket
table here doesn't really have that
menu
the headers.
inspect Q3 of 3 inspect EDC Las Vegas ticket developer tools frame developer tools accessibility panel frame accessibility panel list properties tree view accessibility tree view grouping level 5 your cart will expire in 7 minutes grouping level 7 cell developer tools toolbar EDC Las Vegas document ticket menu EDC Las Vegas ticket developer tools frame developer tools accessibility panel frame accessibility panel list properties tree view accessibility tree view grouping developer tools toolbar
And
EDC Las Vegas document ticket
these are fine. They should technically be in a table footer. But when I try and navigate the navigate the cart, I guess what's happening is that
visited link.
It's not refreshing the selection, so the selection
Your cart will expire in 6 minutes.
Isn't going to the main page or going to the top. It's staying there, and what's happening is that
visited checkout busy
when
banner landmark main out of menu please form click required.
And when I'm going to, let's say
5 of 5
click
EDC
here.
Las
Okay, let's
Vegas
see.
busy out of list copyright 2024 front gate home 1 sign man 2 main table clickable an error has occurred dialog clickable content info landmark main visited link or take column row 2 column 3 column 3 column main landmark 2 clickable please wait dialog clickable EDC Las Vegas busy content info landmark link ONT gate tickets list with out of list copyright 2024 front gate tick list out of list link main landmark link remove all items graphic visited link visited visited, click content info, link front gate tickets. List out of copyright 20 list out of link visited 1 orders column out head card heading banner land out of menu bar main cart heading banner landmark menu out of main menu out heading link column
This model's inaccessible.
visit
I'm
clickable
trying to go through the next tab.
Copyright 20. Are you sure you
Okay.
want to remove? Are you sure you want to remove all items from your cart? Dialog. Button yes, button no. Button yes, button no. Button yes, button no. Button out of button. E. Your cart will expire. This cannot be undone. Button yes, button no. This heading level 2 or this button yes, button no. Yes button, no button. Are you sure you visited content info main landmark. Are you sure you want to remove all items from your cart? Dialog. Button yes, button no. Yes button. No button. Yes button. This cannot heading level this can button yes button no. No button. Yes button. Yes button. No button. Visited link remove content list with 5 items privacy
And it goes
front
to the
mainland
bottom.
clickable. Are you sure you want visited clickable content info main landmark. Are you sure you want to remove all items from your cart? Clickable heading level 2. Are you sure you want to remove all items from your yes button? No button. Are you sure? Are you are you sure? Are you yes? Clickable dialog. Clickable updating your cart. Busy updating your cart. Dialog clickable. EDC Las Vegas busy. Main landmark link it's from $99. May 17 to 19. Friday Sun. Link graphic 2024 EDC Las Vegas. GA Plus Experience Pass. Heading level 2 link 2024 EDC Las Vegas. GA Plus Experience Pass. List with 3 items at Las Vegas Motor Speedway. Show at 5 p.m. Ages 18 plus only. Out of list. Link select tickets. From $599. May 17 to 19. Friday Sun. Link graphic 2024 EDC Las Vegas. VIP Elevated Experience Pass. Heading level 2 link 2024.
Okay. So the select tickets, the button's being selected before, announced before the price, which is quite funny. And for me, I totally, if I were to navigate through just links itself to anchor tags, select tickets is not really descriptive enough if you really want to streamline the buying experience. Because once you
1951 characters selected.
You could select the links, navigate through the links by itself. And let's say if they're a novice goer of EDC, what's going to happen is that they could pretty much select their type of ticket that they want to experience, type of experience that they want to wants to get, and not have to navigate this whole entire website.
No next annotation. Banner landmark. Main menu items. Menu out of menu. Visited link skip to content. Main landmark buttons out of blank. May 16 20 select ticket 2024 ED select tickets link.
Yeah, just select tickets.
Select tickets link.
What you can do here is
Select
just make
link.
a association with the title.
2024
with the header
EDC Las Vegas.
Here.
Select tickets link.
I think they're going to the same thing.
2024 EDC Las
So
Vegas.
what you can
VIP
do is
Elevated Experience Pass.
So what you can do is try and like connect the buttons, the headers, sorry, with the call to action, and that would be much better. But I suppose you could just skip the headers here.
Banner landmark visited. Main menu item 0. Out of menu bar main landmark heading level. Event detail. Heading level 2 2024 EDs. Ages 21. Visited link at Las Vegas Motor. 7,000. Friday, May. Sunday. Show at 5. Take your festival weekend to the fast entry and elevated viewing decks, to gourmet food and entertainment like our Experience Pass. Ticket. Price. Taxes and fees. Quantity. 3-day VIP.
This should be a table when it's not a table. I wouldn't say it's nearly inaccessible, but like the semantic isn't there. The semantic structure isn't there. And what I mean is like navigating through
3-day.
Navigating through this ticket. Like if it's more complex, like it'll be a pain.
$1,129.90 button minus.
Because I gotta go through
button decrease quantity.
Because I gotta go through the types of tickets linearly, when I could skip the whole entire row and not having to listen to everything else.
Select quantity, edit unavailable 0 button plus. Button increase.
Yeah, when I increase the quantity, that it should announce that.
Select
because
button
it is an
quantity.
action.
Select out of button. Select button in 3D collectible magnet plus 3-day VIP.
And technically, since it's not a table, it could bypass that, but it is semantically a table. And so what you would have to do is sort the table by price or by type of ticket. But I think it's pretty difficult to sort by type of ticket, so I think price would do.
1 button add to cart. Clickable searching for tickets. Dialog clickable. Successfully added ticket S to your cart. Your cart content info main landmark content main add to cart button. Content info main land content link out of list clickable blank 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 blank. Content in clickable dialog.
This clickable dialog should have been selected. The key here is that try and navigate
content
through the website, right?
Continue.
This is towards
dialog.
the end.
Heading level 2.
This is towards the end of the web page, and you know this is supposed to be a modal. It is a modal, yes, but this modal should have been selected to streamline that
your cart
process.
Will expire in 9 minutes. Your cart will expire in 9 minutes.
Let's see.
Visited link continue shopping. Visited link view cart button checkout. Checkout button. View cart view checkout button. View cart visited link.
It's not necessarily a great practice, but you can do this where
visited link view
the
cart
next
button
item
checkout.
Is not selectable, but it's selectable through a tab. Typically, what you would do here is create a list. So a list of 3 options, which you want to do. That's basically it. So you can navigate through that list.
Your cart will expire in 8 minutes. Your cart will expire in 8 minutes.
Yeah, and
checkout button.
try to check out.
Check out busy. Banner landmark main menu main landmark 4/5 of 5. EDC Las Vegas. Content info landmark list with 5 items. Terms of use link. Ticket and sell tickets with us link.
Okay, so I selected the cart, and what happened was that I'm going to the footer after the next tab, which is kind of crazy.
Accessibility statement link.
Which is kind of crazy.
Main landmark. Clickable. Are you sure you want to remove content info landmark? Main landmark. Are you sure you want to remove clickable yes button? Clickable dialog. Clickable updating your cart. Busy. Update main list with 2 items. List with 2. No more ages out link out copyright list out of list with terms of use out of list link list with 5 items link privacy policy link terms of use term access busy about blank accessibility state EDC accessibility statement document main menu bar menu item home menu items skip to blank.
Okay.
Main search if buttons out of button out hook blank. From 5 list with ages out link from term accessibility statement home 1 of 5. Main landmark order support at frontgatetickets.com link. Service heading are in accessible attaining information and links heading level 2. This website may contain links to other websites, linked sites. Heading A. Type your request. TDD, telecommunications device for blank. Other relay services. Call it.
Okay. I'm gonna have a joy editing this. Okay, so essentially, the functionality of the top header navigation.
Home, skip to content visited link.
Skip to content.
Clickable.
The skip to content is a direct link, it seems like.
Menu. Inspect.
All right, I'm gonna shut down
NVDA.
NVDA. So looking at this link, skip to content, seems like a what's that called? Not a relative link, which is crazy. Okay, next is that in particular. Yeah, it's not a relative link. So skip to content. And then it's expand all. Yeah, not relative link. So any other page, let's say for example, I'm gonna click on the also on any other page, which is aside from the accessibility page, I guess. That skip to content is not usable. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I see here the navigation. I guess this is the another website for checking out. Apparently I'm reviewing 2 websites now, which is fine. The thing is, while navigating through the website via keyboard, So I'm pressing tab, I'm pressing space, I'm pressing the down arrow. Yeah, they're not expanding. And so that's a huge thing. Functionality wise, it can what's that called? Restrict access to information. But EDC weddings, EDC website, salvage city. I don't see salvage city anywhere here. So this page is inaccessible by far. There's no way to get here at all. Okay, so let's go to EC camp. So there's EDC guidelines, EDC entry and hours, EDC Mesa, EDC accessibility, RV camping, desert rose, moon glow. All right, let's go to accessibility here. Okay. I could go through this whole process of like actually buying a accessibility, experience, and we could walk through that, but I'm more looking at the web experience here. All right, let's check this out. So guide, accessibility. Yeah, the thing is I can't really verify this, but a good QC would be a good just like tester would verify all of this information, test it out. Right share has been to this region, while your favorite right share is encouraged to backup options in mind, particularly at night, early morning hours, taxis, a friend, carpooling. Okay. There is no accessibility pre-registration before this event. This is all done on site. There is no, not an accessibility ticket that needs to be purchased in order to utilize the accessibility services. Pretty nice. Okay. So mark them one by one. Okay, so all right, so for my screen reader test, right guys, so for my screen reader test, I think the first violation goal, so the goal here was to basically check out goals, check out a ticket, navigate through the website. And then I can't really like, okay, checking out a ticket. While we're checking out a ticket, what happened was, um, we were, we navigated to another screen, navigated to another website. Okay. Okay, so I want to see their, okay, so I'm assuming that they have like a SBA type of website, single page application. Um, yeah, they don't have any assistive skip to contents here, skip to main contents. All right, let's see if they have it here. Nope. Nope. Okay. So guide, hours and info, amenities, health, accessibility, FAQ, and lost and found. There's no lost and found. That's accessible there. Lost and found all the way at the bottom. Okay. Okay, so this is like an iframe. I didn't get to check that, but we'll see. Okay, so buying a new pass. New website. So I navigate to another website. The skip to content. It's not really there. It's the mobile site now. Yeah, there's so many things. So many things. Okay. Okay, let's go one by one. On the main site, okay. So checking, okay, so screen reader test, goals, navigate the website. Navigate to another website. Okay, so while checking out, while the goal is to check out a ticket, to check out, to buy. That's the simple thing. When you navigate it to another website, It was, I think you had to do like notify. So links, link, link. Okay, use of color. Color's fun. I think color was okay. Keyboard navigation was not very great. That could be another. Okay, a screen reader test and then keyboard. Check out. So this is checking out. So another website. That's fine. So navigate another website. When you navigate to another website, what was it? Tabular information. Let's use this focus order. Focus. I forgot the name of it. Focus order was not. Was not met. Modals. Were not highlighted. Okay. So this is checkout. Checking out at. So focus order standard. Focus order. Focus. After modals, after navigating through to a new page, the focus was not refreshed. Okay, focus order. I think those are the main two ones that kind of frustrated me. I think third would be tabular information. Uh, tabular information can be used to increase usability. Okay, so select tickets. So things like select during checkout and while selecting a ticket and during checkout, table needs to be used, should be used. Okay, table should be used instead. What else? Links, CTA links should include context. Was it select tickets? Price should be for the button. Semantically. Updating number of tickets should be announced as an update. Like if they could do the time, so the timer went up and down, right? I mean, mostly went down. It says 5 minutes left, 4 minutes left. Yeah, they know how to use an announcement, but they don't use it here, which is quite odd, because that's a an update to the DOM, and then yeah, while I'm navigating the there's a lot of things. Okay. So that's that. Select move to main content. Is a direct link instead of a relative link. Yeah, okay, I can't select that. That's interesting. I can't close this out by tabs. I have to go all the way till the end to open or close. I don't even know if that's even checkout. Okay. Okay, let's see if they announce it. Okay, so there's a bit. There's a bit. There is a bit. I guess I'll go with the most egregious ones. Egregious ones first. I mean, all I really care about. Okay, so tickets. Um, checking out a ticket. So navigating the website. Um, navigation menu cannot be dropped down. Um, is it tickets? I think it'd be easier just to put everything here. So checking out a ticket. There's that. Let's see. Checking out a ticket. Focus order. Navigating the website. So I think I'm gonna put navigation first and then checking out. Because I don't think it'll make sense, right? Okay. Highlights for buttons and links. Hard to read or hard to identify. Is it focus? What else? Fish salad steak. Uh, yes. Okay. Is this 2024 menu? Oh man. Oh man. Okay, this the alt text for this image. Okay. Blah. That's fun. Okay, so Savage City Supper Club is another website. I suppose they don't have any. Interesting stuff there. GC week. Yeah, okay. So there's a lot of events that are happening. Okay. So focus highlights for buttons and links are hard to identify. That's a major one. And then I can move this focus order here. Focus order. I think focus order is misleading. I would say dynamic. Dynamic. Focus order. Focus. Uh, Focus. Um, Confused me. Confused me. Uh, did not highlight. So I shouldn't use highlight because that's like another word. Modal. Okay, so dynamic focus. We're not focused. Modals were not focused on display. Okay, so after navigating to a new page, focus was not refreshed. What else? Captchas and just name a few. Captchas and ticket ordering were not properly focused on display and I had to like actually search for them. I mean, obviously, because I could see them. Like, I know what's going on. Um, Not focused. Modals were not focused. And announced on display. Yeah, okay. Navigating to a new page. Focus was not refreshed. That's I think that's like a huge thing for single page applications. Um, because the focus was not refreshed, or like I don't know the page updated or not, and so I didn't get any cue or any idea that that was happening. There was like no loading indication or no announcement saying that you're at a new page. So that's tough. That's tough. This is really tough to uh, pass on. Yeah, okay. What else? So we could focus on the mobile page. Um, I could tell you that the descriptions here are too small. I'm having trouble seeing them too. Think about fonts, right? Here's the thing about fonts. Um, People trying to give them a pixel size and say, yeah, if it's at least this amount of pixels, it's fine, right? I don't necessarily agree. A lot of fonts have different. Um, I forgot the top topology term, but essentially each font size. I mean, each font. If you compare every font with and have the same font size, what you'll see is that they'll be rendered um, in some will be smaller, rendered smaller. Some will be rendered larger than others, and so it's not very. It's disingenuous to say that, oh, if you meet this font size, that's fine. And I don't necessarily agree. I don't necessarily agree because um, it just, you have to look at it, right? Like, I think 16 might have been good. But 14 is a bit too small. And the CSS doesn't allow for much room, you know? Apparently they go invisible or they're not showed after a certain width. It's a shame. it's a it's a shame. Let's see. Oh yeah, I didn't really I didn't really use all the features here too. So I didn't check if they announced the updates for these search options here.
EDC Las Vegas document, main landmark, search events form landmark, A, M, P, search tickets button.
Yeah, they didn't announce that either, which is
Search event G. Cart is empty busy. Banner landmark link skip to home 1 of 5. EDC Las Vegas, home 1 of 5. Sign-ins, con 0, main land, search ticket, search by date form search button go. Out of form, hotel E, blank, search by date. Button go. Search by date form out of A, R.
all right. So search by date. I literally can't.
Button go. Search but out of form hotel blank. Out search out of button go.
So I'm using the arrow keys. I literally can't get that.
Go search out of go but
Using tab. I can't get that.
navigation toolbar N V D space M collapsed NVDA form Google search busy clickable main landmark NVDA practice forms heading level 3 web aim return to the main article link. Web aim using NVDA to evaluate web accessibility document busy main landmark article main landmark practice heading level 2 list bullet review this page section by section. At the end of each section, return to the top and navigate.
Okay, so
Clickable main. Go.
as you can see, I can't select these.
Button. Go button. Web aim.
Nope.
EDC Las Vegas document.
I can't get those. I can't get those items. I can't use this functionality. Which sucks. And the thing here is that yeah, I just have to skip that. I mean,
Document 1, Word.
so ordering a ticket, search functionality was announced. All right, Suki, hold on. Was not announced. Results were not announced. Form functions were cannot filter by date. Like impossible. It's impossible to. Yeah, it's impossible to with the function that they have right now, it's impossible to filter by date in two ways. So you can't just like order backwards. Just like try to get the form backwards by navigating backwards. And that means you can't update your first entry, even though, let's say, you've done a dynamic focus, you know? So that's pretty bad. Um, but that's okay. I wouldn't say cannot filter by date, but cannot date. Okay, so manage order. Let's see. So that's okay. There's a header there. To me, it seems like they have like a lot of websites to navigate. Yeah, I'll just put the scope back to these two. I just want to see if I could actually get a ticket. I can. Um, though it wasn't streamlined and it had like I couldn't really navigate this pretty well. And if they were going to make this function here, it should be a table. I'm not sure why it's not a table. Um, yeah, like uh, table with the description list. Description list could be like there. Sold out. I think it's fine. I mean, to actually make it easier for everybody, this if they click on this link, let's say, right? This link, the call to action link, and the um, call to action link, CTA link here, and the header link are the same. So it'd be nice if the sold out was at the top forefront and it was announced. So like sold out, but you could join the wait list. Like if that was announced, that'd be great. The lineup, or let's check this. Okay. I suppose the lineup it's a big one. Okay, so let's see. If it's Spotify, I don't. It's like an embedded thing. I don't think you can actually edit that. It's not up to. It's not up to you guys. All right. Let me take a break real quick. Let me take a break. Dog's whining for some reason. Be right back. All right, I'm back. I think my camera's lower than usual. Okay, I suppose that's fine. Okay. Okay, so this is content. Okay, so dynamic focus. Um, I suppose it's fine. The thing is that like I don't want to give them everything, because I'm doing this for free. But I think these are the main things that actually to increase usability. I think these are the things that will help overall the most. So I think that's pretty much that. these aren't clickable. I mean, these aren't focusable. So that's the thing. So it says there, like clickable items must be focusable and should have interactive semantics. This one doesn't. So, what should it be under? Navigating the website. It should be under navigating the website. Yes, and then menu. Yes, focus. Dynamic focus. What else, guys? Um, I'm just gonna say the specific page here. So under the lineup page, I think I think the trick here is to like not have it display twice. What that means is that um you can like you could kind of be kind of clever with it. So you can use the big image here, you know, the lineup. You know, say this is an you could make this a link, a relative link to this section here, you know, without having to do it twice. And as you know, these is sorted by day, so it would probably go there, but you could have this as a link. And you could just go down here so that the screen reader or the navigation can just link down there without having to go in through this official playlist section. That's an option. The thing is that right, like you're skipping this playlist. I'm not sure if the playlist, you know, is a if you're to like move have a relative link from this image to here, because you're actually spelling it out here, right? There's not really any missed information, I don't think, at all. So that's the reason why, like, I'm not saying that you should put a more descriptive alt text because that would be redundant. Link relative. Guys, I can't spell. I don't think it's called relative link either. Let's look at Mozilla. Mozilla. Anchor tags, anchor tags. Is that what it's called? Okay, so it's absolute URL, relative URL, and linking elements. Yeah, so I can't really like select these. These are by stage. Um, what might be nice? What might be nice is being able to put this in a table. The thing is that are they like the same amount of people per stage? That's the thing, right? List, cosmic metal list, right? Which is fine. Okay, so the thing is, I like tables because you can navigate through them, and there's a specific order that you can like declare. While lists, like for an unordered list, there's no necessarily there's no uh, semantic order to them, unless like they're an ordered list. But you know, other than that, ordered list is just like steps, not really sorted by. Um, I think what I would love to see, right? Like this is like a very, you know, me type thing. I'd love to see um the stages, right? And the artists that are playing with specific times. That would be amazing, right? Being able to have a table, you know, create like a table and kind of say, okay, these are the artists that I'm visiting, given these. Okay, so here's my idea, because I know it can work. Right, schedules are one thing. Right, we could use schedules for this, and not really like edit this page per se, but like it's the schedule um once it's out, right? um I think you could build this once, and it'll be awesome. It'll be freaking awesome. So if you have their set times, right, we can make a calendar ish, like the thing is that it won't look as tacky as this, but it's functional, as you know. So if you have the set times, you have the um so the days can be replaced by stages, right? The stages, and have the date on top, a particular date. And right, with these stages, let's say 5 stages and one date here, you can have all their set times be placed here. What you can do is then like use a selective, select date, selective orientation here, where you're like, okay, I want to see this artist, this artist, this artist. These two artists collides. I'll do this artist instead. This. And throughout the whole entire, event, um, you could literally take a screenshot, or something, send it to the whole group, and see that, bam, they have. If I get lost, or if I just like knock out somewhere, um, I know where they are, or relatively, I know where they are. If they're going to hoard around the entrance, and your cell phone isn't working, So that's pretty much that there. That an idea that I want to pitch out, but of course, it'll take a while to build it out, and to make it accessible. Obviously, it'll take a little longer, but I think in the end it's worth it, because for the most part, my biggest gripe with these huge events is like the lack of um basically the lack of uh communication that is brought to everybody, and that is normal, and that's okay. It's just um I guess it would just be nice to see all of these artists in their set times, and have the vendor be able to create a better experience. um yeah, I think that'll be great, instead of like everyone creating their own. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Yep, 9. I think that will fit, especially with their set times. But that'll just be nice to have. Um, yeah, you don't. The thing is that you don't have to get accompanied by anybody. You know relatively where they are, and yeah, I think that's great. I wonder why. Okay, so when I scroll up, the sticky loses. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Yeah, it loses there too. Okay, lost and found. So 778. Get update. Okay, so the modal is fine. Inventory search. Lift app. Maybe go to a new page. Okay, let's see. This question mark is unavailable. Okay, that's fine. I'm not gonna put that on. I'll just do it. I just did it. On the lost and found page. Okay, this link is. I didn't know it was a link. Did you guys know it was a link? It was hard for me to see that. I think that's a violation. Okay, forms are quite difficult to do, but let's see. Form. Okay. So type text placeholder. It's not it's difficult for me to autocomplete my name, but that's fine. There's no full name here. Type of text box. Type email. Type tell. Type text. All right, let's do it. I'm curious.
Welcome. Protect register device Mozilla Firefox. Develop out of figure navigation link your info.
That's a link.
Link. Link add link summary link out of list heading level 3 blank heading navigation landmark navigation landmark lost and found heading level 3 no previous heading being proactive. Nice. Heading level 3.
Okay. I get that this is supposed to be like in an iframe, right? It's in an iframe. But when I clicked on this link, it brought me to a web page, which is unfortunate. All right, how do I like, make this how do I like resolve this? Okay, so first of all, these links that lead to nothing, they should go. Okay, so first of
Document
all,
1 Word. Click document protect stream how to make HTML. Document 1
okay,
protect
whatever,
register
whatever.
device Arthur Dent edit required invalid entry why do Arthur Dent edit required invalid entry has auto why do your name Arthur Dent edit required invalid entry has auto complete. Protect register your email. Arthur Dent edit required invalid entry has auto complete. No next not supported in this doc. No next separator. Your Arthur Dent edit required invalid entry has B L L P a dot dent at gmail.com OK fall 312-213-6789 edit required invalid entry has auto complete blank.
First of all, I don't know that's a first of all, I don't know that's a phone number, right? Like
blank, a dot dent, e, 31, a dot dent at gmail.com, e.
So the thing here is like I'm trying to navigate through my arrow keys, right? To go to the next. But I can't. I had to use tab.
312-213-6789.
What's happening is that I guess the label is not being introduced, and that might lead to some problems. Like, what is that number? Or is it trying to say, like, what's your, it's trying to ask what your phone number is, right? Because the MEI number, you know, it'll just spill out numbers too.
E.G 123412343 312213 E.G 1234123 blank E. Clickable I agree to the terms and conditions check terms and conditions link I agree document Lif Happens Incorporated Terms of Service Lif Happens Mozilla Firefox Jake Migrate is installed.
Okay, in terms of
version
service, it's not a new
3.4.1 jQuery migrate.min.js 2:9
new tab, essentially.
Clickable I agree to the terms and conditions. Terms, link. Cookie, clickable, I not checked. Terms, I checked.
And
I agree, button unavailable next. I agree, E.G 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, a dot dent at Gmail, 3, 1, 4, 1, space. A dot dent 312 1 1 1 in 1 3 3 3 3 a dot dent at 3 1 bang plus a dot dent 312 plus 1 space
okay,
1 right per dash space a 2 3 4 space dash 1 a dot dent at gmail.com at 3 click E.1 unselected 4 4 4 2 7 click terms and E.G 12341234123412337 edit has auto-complete selected 123412341234124 blank 12341234123412337 1234123412343 3 clickable E. blank 12341234123412341 E.G1 NVDA speech viewer protect register space protect register device document E.G 1234123
okay.
space 123 protect register device click term link I agree to the term I button 1 register your item developer tools frame developer tools toolbar pressed register your item developer button protect register device Mozilla disabled equals D-log button protect register device document register your item developer tools disabled equals false button edit multi-line selected false D disabled equals enabled protect register device document register your item
Yeah.
developer caps lock E disabled equals enabled button protect register device document register E.G 1 1 1 2 3 1 1 3 1 1 protect register E.G1234123412.
Okay. Interesting. Add contacts. Lost file QR code. Okay. Okay. Let's see. I think it's good. I think it's fine. The only thing that's
Protect
not
register
good
device.
is the
Q.
form. So they didn't really attach the
NVD Document 1. Document 1. Word. Microsoft Word document edit multi-line page. Document 1. Word. Exit NV. Document 1. Word.
Okay, so forms. Labels do not are not being announced. Errors are visible, but are not being announced. I think that's a pretty long checklist. Okay, I think that's pretty much what I really wanted to cover. I don't know if I'm gonna have a great time editing everything. Um, I'll try to keep it quick with the editing process. I don't know if Okay, the thing here is right. The thing here is I want to show my frustration. Al- Also, in large part, I want to yeah, I want to showcase my frustration, and I want to showcase like the reason why I'm giving like a terrible score. I don't really want to go down the violations. Um, it's hard for me to go one by one and spend the time to do that. Uh, I'd rather spend my time looking at usability um, or functionality over um, compliance for this one. So I'm sorry to those who want to see the compliance side, but it's just more of a accessibility review. EDC is more of a just rudimentary screen reader tests and usability tests, and to see like, okay, this is how people kind of use these assistive technologies. And if you could see my frustration, um, that's because I have I do have lower tolerance. Um, because I've seen so many websites that don't really that don't really test their accessibility. But that's just me. Don't take that personally. And let's see. Yeah, if you get all these fixed, I won't say violations because I didn't really like show them, give them a violation. I'll show them usability frustrations. How about that? Frustrations. I'll show you the frustrations that I've faced. Yeah, frustrations, and I think that's it. Frustrations. Checking out website, checking out ticket. I think the ticket one's like the biggest part because if you can't really do that, if I can't really stream like easily do that, then what's the point, right? What's the point? Like this website is just a big FAQ page, and I guess that has value, but ultimately you want your checkout or your bypasses to be as seamless as possible. Even though you have a lot of options, should be as seamless as possible. I don't mind too much about this per se, because I mean, to be honest, this is kind of like you don't need that. Um, I really don't. Yeah, I mean, I would just remove this all entirety. I'll just remove that. I think that's fine. Ultimately, pointless. Pointless. Select tickets. Survey about Tiffany on same page. The thing is that they don't know if it's sold out until that's that's okay. Let's click on it. Let's give it a go. Okay, I shouldn't do that. How many people actually return their tickets? I don't know that process, but like, I'm assuming there's some. Because if it's not, then like they should be grayed out. Should be. Okay, the camping. The camping. Shuttles. I wonder what these shuttles are. What these shuttles are. Oh, never mind. I can see why they're out. I can see why they're out. Okay. Here. Okay. I was like, what's going on? Mm, okay. So I think the standard shuttles, right? I don't think they're sold out, are they? And okay, so at Las Vegas Motor Speedway, I think that's redundant. Uh, like I'm looking at all the addresses, they're the same, and it says it in the header, so it's not really not, it's not something that you kind of need to say, but that's fine. It's the only reason because my personal opinion is that this text is so small. This text right here, description, is so small. All right, what was it? 14 pixels. Yeah, that's the only thing. I think that's so small. Like 16 would be nice. And the thing about font, right, is that they render differently for on the pixel side. So it's pretty hard to kind of default saying that everything should be uh 15 pixels or 16 pixels because every font renders differently. From my experience anyways. Like it's pretty standard. I mean, there's not a lot of information for EDC, but okay. I think I've done enough. If they could streamline all of these, issues, they'll be pretty good at um, keeping the goal. Why do they keep the website? So it's navigating the website. It's pretty hard for me to get these drop downs, and that's a huge thing in navigation. For the first, for the most part, the the Savage Super City. I mean, City Supper is not here, right? Um, it's literally not accessible at all. On top of that, right, like this more section is also inaccessible. And for the links in particular, I do like the style of making sure all your links that navigate to a new website, new web page, website, is marked somehow. Like this one, the bypasses has um, external arrow here, but when I click on the more section, it doesn't pop up. It doesn't highlight. It doesn't drop down. That's a huge um, navigational thing. Mm, I guess what's funny, if you what's kind of funny here is this just says 2024 menu, right? This image, and it's kind of like there's no description on what this is, you know. And this one is fish, nice. I'm thinking that might be the tuna because there's pickled coconut. That should say pickled tuna. I mean, not pickled tuna, tuna crudo, crodo. Um, this one says salad. Interesting. This one said roasted early girl tomato salad. I think that's quinoa. And then this one is steak. All right, let me see. Uh, this is not wagyu, or is it wagyu? It is wagyu. Bone marrow salsa verde. Where's that salsa verde? Or is that some like generic steak? Okay. Not my issue, but the goal here is to kind of state the name of the dish. Yeah, I should say steak. Travel, like other hotels. There's hotels. There's other hotels. Let's look at this one. Well, ADC hotel is yeah, ADC hotel is inaccessible. I guess. Okay. Okay, so for the most part, um, can't really drop these down. The bypasses is there. Um, Looking at accessibility. Okay, so bypass is here. Yeah, I can't really see what I'm selecting. And then I skip to content. Skip to content. Puts me back here. Frustrating. I'm not knowing what I'm selecting. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what I'm selecting at all. That's also frustrating. When I'm okay, that's interesting. I didn't catch that highlighted. Checking out ticket. Yeah, this should be a table. Definitely putting this as a table would help a lot with accessibility. This is not a table. Yeah. Because when navigating through the screen reader, right, it will go through this one by one linearly. Well, when it's a table, structured as a table, what you can do is go row by row, you know, and that would be super nice. I suppose like what might be questionable would be um ordering by price, you know, because you gotta have a type of ascending or descending order to these. It could be another column stating the popularity or something like that. Or but I'd say price is sort of my price is I think the best. Might be confusing because the extra vehicle pass, but mm, but we'll see. Yeah, that's a lot. I think that's a lot already. The these aren't updating, so whenever if you have dynamic functions here, you should definitely be announcing that to the browser. Once you announce that to the browser, you're kind of describing how many you've got. Um, and that would be the holy grail of accessibility. Because if I just like press two buttons and I don't know what the buttons did, like, you know, I don't know what they did. To a totally, yes, total um blind person, they'll just be like, I don't know what I did. And overall lose, I think, I like to say lose independence. So I want to have people as independent as possible. And this one is a major issue. It's funny because that's like focused and the add to cart. Okay, I haven't add that. Like focus, modals. Oh, it's navigating the website. Uh, just unreadable. Okay, once I add tickets, I'm going down one by one. Well, so ad tickets like the this is the modal. The modal didn't really select here. And when I do select, right, it doesn't really like circle around here. Like this is supposed to be something that locks me in to an option. And it's really hard to see the highlights. I'm checking out. But yeah, I didn't really check out yet, but I know that the timer announces, so they should be able to know how to they should know how to use the announce functionality. I think that's pretty much it. I would rate this ADHD. My accessibility score, I think it's 3 out of 10. This would definitely fail single A. And double A. The main things about this, right? Um, the main website, you know, I'm looking at the totality of this website. Like even if the navigation doesn't work per se, um, there's this intermediate page that allows that access of information, but that fails in some cases. So that fails single A already. And double A would be first that's single A. Single A is the links. So looking at what was that called? Where was it? Yeah, the highlights. That doesn't pass single A at all. Even though these are fine, there's some cases throughout the website that are not. What else? It would be nice to see. Um, what would be nice to see? It would be nice to see schedules and lineups be more of a calendar type thing. But that's a different story. That's like a cherry on top. What else? So, the high level things are navigation, And forms. Um, Forms and focus, dynamic focus. Those are the main things that I'm pointing out. That kind of loses. Honestly, I'll say 2 out of 10. Sorry, 2 out of 10. So here's the thing, right? Like statically, it's great. Like I get all the information here statically, which is fine. Like it works as an FAQ page, but ultimately working. Actually, I didn't test the FAQ page. Uh,
Well, FAQ, EDC Las Vegas 2024 Mozilla Firefox, FAQ, EDC Las Vegas, clickable, out of list, navigation, out of, out of, mainland, link, heading level, list with 2 items, clickable are ticket. There is always a chance that the event will sell out. Clickable are tickets expected to sell out? There is always a chance that the event, so, get your tickets out of list with 2 items, clickable. What payment methods can be used to purchase tickets? Credit and debit. Out of list with 2 items, tickets are limited to 4. Out of list with, we offer only 3-day pass. Out of list with 2, you must be ish out no to out you your out of your please out of list if your photocopy of the credit.
it's fine, but it's not keyboard navigable. I think that one change, like making it selectable, would be nice. Yeah, ultimately I would say like 2 out of 10. These main things they add up. Say for I can see why there could be like inconsistencies with the prices, if there's any. Because this is all static. It's not really getting the updated information. Interesting. I think they removed one of their sponsors. Because I remember not being able to select one of them. So that's fine. That's not my issue. Oh yeah, I think it was White Claw. White Claw didn't have a link. That was it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Colors are fine. Some of the links might need, a little help. Yeah, I can't like navigate there. Okay. I think that's pretty much it. I'll have fun. think the main reasons why they would fail single A and double A is because of the links. So poor link and button navigation. Visibility. Visibility is that this one that main ones is forms. So these are the four things that would fail single A, and then double A, triple A would be these two. Some of the things that might be double A. That would be single A is, yeah, single A is this one. Forms. Would be headings and labels. Yeah, there you go. Forms would be double A. And I suppose single A too. Let's see. I think that timeouts. I mean, I think this one would be for mostly videos, but enough time is like the cart, how much like it would expire. I'm not sure like why they didn't. Um, I'm sure I know why, but I want to say that they could use the same amount of same code to alert the screen reader. Let's see. Yeah, let's just fill the predictability portion of like, where was it? Yeah, this one. The predictability. Let's fill that. Color. I think color, I can nitpick everything, but essentially it's just the hover and focus for buttons. There's nothing that allowed me to, that there was any blinking. There was no blinking. There's no drag and drop. There's no flashing. I think notifications. Video, zoom. I didn't really check the what's that called? The responsive design, but that's fine. My main goal was just essentially to see what Firefox had to say with the screen reader. So that's pretty much it. All right, I think that's good enough for now, and I will create a video on it. 2 out of 10. Essentially, it's quite difficult to check out, and it is nearly impossible to fill out any forms, which is necessary to get money, basically. So, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'm This is their promise. I I like what they're doing. I just hope that maybe um on the technical side they can kind of integrate things together a little seamlessly, and hopefully at the end of the day they can create a better user experience for everybody. But for the most part, their accessibility would not be is not there. It's not up to par with what's required out of them. But for the most part, I think I'll create the video, and what I'll do is I'll send an email and kind of go over the key points that, that frustrates me, and that's pretty much my due diligence. Um, I don't know their technology, so I can't really give them solutions on the technical side. I could just give them, what I see is necessary to increase that accessibility score. But the main two functions were to navigate the website and check out a ticket. And for the most part, it did pretty poorly. The website did pretty poorly on that. And it was multiple websites. It wasn't just the one main header, one main website. So a little disappointing, but um, but yeah, I think this is pretty much it, guys. I'm saying pretty much a lot. Let's see. Hey, well, anyways, thank you for staying till the end. I really appreciate it, and I hope to make this format a little better. um, I'm coming in blind, honestly, guys. I'm coming in blind, so um, the thing is that if I'm too professional about it, like I would probably think myself to death, and that's not what I want. So I'm doing this off the fly, taking notes one by one to see like, okay, hey guys, like this is what I see. This is what can be fixed. What can be updated, and then yeah, I think we can ultimately create like a better user experience, you know. But, but, but this is like base. Yeah, this is probably the more rudimentary tests that I would deploy. I just went. I just didn't know what to expect, and I just basically used the screen reader and see what I can get out of it. Obviously, because I can see there are things that are missing and are inaccessible. So for for the most part, 2 out of 10 because the FAQ was pretty good, and for the information that's on the website, it's at 80% accessible. I think 80%, maybe even more. But it fails in a few functions that I think are pretty critical to streamlining the user experience for people with disabilities. Also, for normal people like me who are power users where they just don't want to use the mouse all the time. Uh, and that's pretty much me. Um, yeah. So we'll see by then. We'll see by then what I can do to help if they do reach out to me again or at all. But this is what I see. Um, I think this is just a surface. I didn't test any mobile screen reader, mobile browsers. But I think fixing this would be probably um, a good stepping point to fixing the rest of the platforms. So hopefully by then it'll be easier. And maybe we can see, okay, like we could look at more of the processes, like behind the scenes. And I don't know. I think just have a better user experience for everybody since we're on this topic. But yeah, my focus is accessibility. So yeah, I'm just yapping around. I'm just yapping about what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Well, I think that's everything that I wanted to cover. Not really yeah. I think that's all that I had time to cover for today. So hopefully you guys give me websites to review as well, so I can give my 2 cents on that. But yeah, this was fun for me, interesting, because it's my first time actually demonstrating um, my thought process, what I look out for, and essentially using the screen reader to navigate the website. I think that's pretty useful knowledge to know. Sometimes it can be annoying for people who can already read, but um, I think it's nice. I think it's nice to see a different perspective in information, how we absorb information. So, um, unfortunately, it's 2 out of 10. I was hoping for a little more. I was hoping for the checking out the ticket, checking out tickets would be better in terms of um, like usability, like understanding that this is the ticket that I want, and then checking that out. Obviously, just checking like a basic ticket out is didn't have much options as the other tickets, but if they did have more options, I think that would have led to a more frustrating experience for the user, and overall, not knowing how many or what was changed or how many tickets were selected is probably the main detriment um, to this checking out process. Because if you don't know what you're adding to your cart, then that's pretty much like a big red flag. And just saying like this is a button for increase, this is a button for decrease is not enough, I don't think. Um, I could get lost in the sauce. So um, naming these buttons better, or and slash or announcing uh, what you want to add to your cart, like the quantity and the type of ticket, that would be great. Yeah, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. But accessibility wise, it's pretty poor because of the checkout process. I didn't look at any more because I didn't want to dive deep into there, but this is where you get your money, guys. And it was pretty poor for me. Pretty poor overall. Poor experience overall. And while navigating the website, dynamic focus. There you go. And that's it. Okay. Yeah. I don't think I should be explaining myself anymore, but I'll be like tooting my horn again. Tooting my horn. Tooting my horn. But yeah. 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 Yeah, I wish I could have more stats on like maybe how many people are are using the mobile app versus mobile website versus the on the computer, because I think that'll be more there's a trend to more responsive design and using your phone. So if that can if that means opening more doors for revenue in that case, then that's fine. But I always know that EDC is always going to be sold out, so not really a big um big thing, you know. Yeah, should be a maximum. I think I tested that out. Maximum number of tickets. Maximum reached. Watch me accidentally just sell out. Okay. Yeah, that's enough for me. I could be playing around this more, but I don't want to. I think they get the main point, hopefully, and they add more features to their website. But yeah. All right, guys. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Um, I hope to see you guys soon. I've been a little MIA because I'm a little sick, and because I'm trying to execute ideas that that are valuable to me. I don't know if they're valuable to you guys. I'm hoping. But yeah, you guys will see me more. Um, like I said, I'll try to get all this accessibility content out and about in, and I don't know how to do it. That's the thing, right? I want to do it, and I know that there's a need for it because on YouTube there's like nothing about accessibility, which kind of deters me from stopping. So I just want to put things out there for fun and see where that takes me. But okay, let me see. So I got two as 0.0.0. Oh, that's fine. Okay. Um. Yeah. Thank you guys again. Really appreciate you. Um. Hopefully it's not boring. I'm trying to make things less boring. Um, it's pretty difficult because I'm a noob. I'm a noob at this. Uh, but that doesn't matter. To me, I think it's fun just putting myself out there. Hopefully someone bites. I don't know. Maybe I'm not ready for it yet, but we'll see. We'll see, guys. We'll see. Okay. Yeah, that's it for me. It's 11. It's 11. I'm going to bed. All right. Good night, guys.